This is like the craziest way to start 2025. It really is. I know I started off this episode that 2025 is going to be a badass year. Yeah, it is. However, damn, what a crazy start. What a crazy start. How many people require to die in order for you to wake up and to start living a life in urgency and making what you want to create with your life happen? What you want to create with your life, true. How many people are going to pass away in order for you to wake up? Deep. Deep. How many? How many? The topic's heavy, I know. The topic's heavy, I know. However, it's mandatory.